to the window in order.
Let's go to the window.
To the window.
To the window.
To the wall.
Forward. We're going to the window.
Hey!
Hey, don't break it, Bo. We were in line.
We're in line.
Mom sees us!
You guys are rebels and geniuses. Thank you.
It's for a psychology experiment.
What?
Alright, who farted? One down the window. Oh.
Oh, they're just gonna ignore us.
No!
Are you kidding me?
Did you try knocking?
How's it going?
You know you are. We're in a vehicle.
We're still in a vehicle.
It's more gas efficient than a Prius even.
Yeah!
Yeah.
Guys, we cannot do this.
All right.
This probably will happen again.
Right, get a chicken pot pie. I want to try it. Guys, forward.
Forward.
What are we getting?
One chicken little. Knock knock.
Hello?
Dad.
Can we get a chicken little and a water cup, please?
Just the chicken little?
Yep.
Water cup?
Yeah. We are high schoolers, that's the reason.
Balling up.
How much is it?
It's on me today, guys.
Oh,
Awesome!
I like that guy.
Hold this. That's a good guy right there. Will we still be able to order? No metal. It's all biodegradable. 100% ecological. Yeah. Yeah. We'll take one to early drive. And
Snack wrap.
hey. Psychology experiment.
Yep.
Yeah.
No, I have to break a social norm. I'm hoping to get an A+.
Faster, guys! We're gonna get pulled over. License registration. Guys, faster! Go! Go!
Go!
Hold on. Holy crap. Go, faster! Go faster! Alright, we gotta hop the sidewalk! Hold on, slow down. Sidewalk. Watch your step. Holy crap. Jack, get down. Oh my god, there's Mr. Cano. Come on, Drift. Not my house. And here we are. Yeah, because they got
He just got cut off by a cardboard car.
No.
That guy's saying no.
That guy said
That
no.
guy's saying no. Get out of here. No. He's saying no.
You guys, he's saying go.
Oh, wow. 1 minute. Yeah, for some reason our vehicle didn't register.
Hey, Allie. Oh. Next time we're making an SUV. Whoa.
You're like, what?
And we just got shot down by Arby's, so our spirits are a little hurt.
Psychology.
Yeah.
All right.
Whoa! Ready?
Back it up.
We got churros.
Dr. Pepper.
We got churros.
The whole reason I did this is because you never see a cardboard box car going through a fast food drive-thru, and I wanted to see how people would react. So my hypothesis was that people would ask why we are going through drive-thrus in a cardboard box. Most of my hypothesis was right, but they were actually very funny, except for Arby's. They were a little grumpy. After all, the whole night was very fun, and a lot of people asked questions and took very many pictures. They were all wishing us luck on me getting a pretty good score on this project.